Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1996 Honda StepWagon. It has 22,733 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is also 4-wheel drive. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle. It does come with 2 front doors. We're going to take a look at the interior. It has front and rear climate control. These seats do stow away. It has 1 rear sliding door and 1 rear hatch as well. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that y'all are seeing up here, 36,587, this one up here. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 22,733. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.